It's been 5 years of Delhi Kisan Andolan. Now farmer unions have gathered in Chandigarh to for the anniversary of Kisan Andolan. We have Ravneet Singh Brad, who's a farmer union leader. Ravneet ji, how this is in reference to what is in this reference to? Have been the demands been met or still the demands are pending? And what does this signify celebrating 5 years of Kisan Andolan?
But it's all been almost 5 years today. 26th of November 2020, we started this farmers' protest. But still the demands are unmet. The demands, those who are given to us in writing, are still not fulfilled. And moreover, the input cost of farmers is increasing day by day. And it was promised to us that farmers' income will be doubled by 2022.
What are the demands? MSP, C2 plus 50, electricity meters. What are the demands that you have that are core and still not addressed?
Yes, those are the demands, and there are more demands like education policy, new education policy, and the demand of Punjab University. The Senate elections are still pending. Those are the demands we came together today, and we are protesting. We are actually awakening the government who is sleeping in a deep sleep, so that they should come and listen to farmers and laborers and improve their livelihood.
What all unions, farmer unions are here part of this agitation for today?
So this is a protest by Sanयुkt Kisan Morcha India, and the protest is organized on all national capitals. And this protest is organized by Sanयुkt Kisan Morcha Punjab chapter. So almost 32 unions of Punjab are participating in this.
And will this give any impact or effect for the demands?
Yeah, we have a memorandum for the demands which will be handed over to respected governor of Punjab and to CM of Punjab. So their representative will come and take it from the stage.
Do you have any plan for moving towards Delhi also for MSP or other demands?
No, as of now we don't have a such plan. We have a meeting of SKM on 28th of this month, day after tomorrow, that is regarding 2025 electricity amendment bill. And as of now we don't have such demands. Rest SKM will meet and decide upon the fund.
It's an awakening call for the...
It's an awakening call for the government.
Right. So Ravneet Brad says it's a awakening call, and you see the farmers from different unions, whether it's BKU, Rajewal, Ugraha, Lakhowal, Kadiyan. There are many Punjab chapter unions, farmer unions, which have gathered here for the agitation, a day-long agitation. And also, it's been 5 years, but demands on MSP guarantee, which was assured in written, and also C2 plus 50. So crop cross plus 50% is being given to the farmers, and other demands that are being still pending. So that's in demands to that the farmer agitation for a day is here, and anniversary on completion of 5 years of Kisan Andolan is what this gathering is in reference to. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardosh for India Today, Chandigarh.